Looking for a hassle-free way to protect your car battery from draining when your vehicle sits idle? The Worthco Battery Doctor quick-release battery bolts offer a smart solution. These bolts replace your standard 5/16" battery terminal bolts and let you disconnect your battery quickly, without any tools. What makes these bolts stand out is their anti-corrosive steel build combined with color-coded polypropylene levers. This design isn't just for looks. The cam action mechanism tightens and loosens the bolts smoothly, saving you time and frustration during installation or removal. I installed these bolts myself in under 20 minutes. The instructions could be clearer, but with a bit of common sense, the process was straightforward. Once in place, they give you peace of mind by preventing your battery from discharging through your car's electrical systems during long periods of inactivity, especially when you can't use a trickle charger. Worthco has been crafting practical, reliable products for over 30 years, and these quick-release bolts live up to that legacy. They're sold as a pair, so you can handle both battery terminals with ease, making battery maintenance simpler and safer. If you're tired of dealing with dead batteries after leaving your car unused, these bolts offer a simple fix. No more struggling with wrenches or worrying about corrosion eating away at your terminals. The quick release feature means you can disconnect your battery in seconds, saving you time and money on replacements. Worth a look if you want a tool-free, durable upgrade for your battery terminals. Just swap out your old bolts, and you're set to protect your battery during storage or extended downtime. Plus, the color-coded levers make it easy to identify positive and negative terminals at a glance. Keep in mind, this product contains chemicals recognized by California Prop 65 as potentially harmful, so handle with care. But for everyday use, it's a smart addition to any vehicle owner's toolkit. If that's you, someone who values convenience and battery health, try Worthco's Battery Doctor quick-release bolts when you're ready. They make battery maintenance faster, safer, and more reliable, so you can focus on the road ahead without worrying about unexpected dead batteries.